Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at self-checkout. Using Apple Pay at self-checkout is a quick and secure way to complete your purchases. First, always confirm that the self-checkout terminal supports contactless payments. You will typically see a small symbol with 4 curved lines indicating compatibility. Make sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is charged and has Apple Pay set up with your preferred card. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient transaction every time you shop. To activate Apple Pay on your iPhone, simply double-click the side button on newer models or the home button on older ones. If you are using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button to bring up your cards. After activating, you will need to authenticate your payment. This can be done using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your device's passcode, ensuring your transaction remains secure. Once Apple Pay is active and authenticated, hold the top of your iPhone or the display of your Apple Watch within a few centimeters of the contactless reader. You do not need to physically touch the reader. Keep your device steady until you see a check mark and the word "Done" appear on your screen. A subtle vibration or a quick beep will also confirm that your payment has been successfully processed. For the smoothest experience, always ensure your device's near-field communication, or NFC, is enabled for contactless payments. Also, take a moment to verify that your preferred payment card is set as the default in your Apple Wallet before you begin. If you encounter any issues, such as a failed transaction, try moving to a different self-checkout lane or consider using an alternative payment method to complete your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.